Hi, and welcome to the first Superior Hair Replacement video. We have Stuart here, the founder of Superior Hair, and we're going to fit a taupe hairpiece on him today. Superior Hair is one of New Zealand's leading providers of hair replacement systems, custom hairpieces, custom hair units, and accessories. We've been in the business since 2003. Our custom-made hair replacement solutions are available for both men and women. We utilize the very latest in technological advances to give you that hair that looks and feels natural so that you can look your best without any surgical procedures. All of our hair replacement solutions are handcrafted with the best quality human hair. With our extensive experience and access to a wide range of products, we are able to offer significant flexibility. If you have a hair system you have used before that you wish to have again, or perhaps a hair system you read about online or had recommended by a friend, we are happy to source anything for you. We can even duplicate a hairpiece you previously had but is no longer available. All you have to do is book an appointment, come in for a free consultation, we'll make your hairpiece, you can come back for a fitting appointment, ongoing maintenance of your hair system is required, and we can provide the outstanding customer support. We don't use the term custom lightly. To us and to our clients, custom made means your hair replacement system is tailored to fit you. Your new hairpiece will be shaped and sized to match your unique balding pattern. It will be color matched, cut, and styled to blend naturally with your natural growing hair. We will design and create a hairpiece that is perfect for your hair type, density, texture, using the most appropriate hair for your need and personally prepared for you so that it is ready to enjoy. Our custom-made hair replacement solution utilizes the very latest technological advances to give you hair that looks and feels natural so that you can look your best. With our state-of-the-art hair systems, you can wash your hair in the shower, play sport, go swimming, and enjoy your life without ever having to worry about your hair. We are the experts in determining the best method of hair replacement for you. Come in for a free consultation and let us help pick your great new look. Thank you for watching and see you next time.